How to become a seller on Temu. Now, first of all, open the Temu app or you can access it via website. Now sign into your account. So go to Seller Center. So once logged in, tap the Me icon at the bottom of the app, then find and click on the Seller Center or go to the seller registration section. Now read the terms and conditions. So carefully review the terms and conditions for selling on Temu. So if you agree, click agree to continue. Now fill in your business details. So enter your business information such as your company name, address, and contact details, and make sure all the details are correct. Now provide your payments information. So enter your payment details so you can receive your earnings. Temu usually asks for the bank or PayPal information. Now upload your required documents. So Temu will ask for documents to verify your business, like a business license or tax identification number. Upload the documents as requested. Now wait for approval. So Temu will review your request. This may take a few days. So once approved, you can start listing products. Now start listing products. So after approved, go to the Seller Center and click on the Add Products. Follow the instruction to list your items. Finally, start selling. Now you are ready to start selling on Temu. Manage your listing, track orders, and grow your business. And now this is how to become a seller on Temu. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.